Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Jacobi Malone, so coincidentally, I represent Jacobi Miller along with Marcus Gardner and Bailey and Blade Dykes. I just want to talk to you all briefly about the nature of the lawsuit. On January the 6th, 2024, what should have been an enjoyable outing for 4 young teenagers at Malys Entertainment Center turned into a horrific incident of violence and racial discrimination. The events that unfolded that day were not only deeply disturbing, but also raised serious concerns about the safety and security measures in a place at this facility. According to the information in the lawsuit, the incident began when Marcus, one of the teenagers, was confronted with racially charged remarks by Kelly Kennedy, one of the named defendants, upon entering the facility. Despite Marcus informing Ms. Kennedy that he was a minor, the situation escalated rapidly. Cody Sutherland then physically attacked Marcus, leading to a chaotic eruption of violence. The consequences of this altercation were severe and traumatic. Marcus, as you will see in the picture to my right, was stabbed in the face. Jacobi was attacked by multiple individuals, as you will see in the first picture to my left. Blade was struck with what is believed to be a metal object, and you will see that in the second from the last picture to my left. And Balin was kicked by a Malys employee, and you will see that picture. Should be behind me. Still to the far left, I apologize. These actions against minors are completely unacceptable and criminal. The involvement of a Malys employee in the violence is particularly alarming and raises questions about the training and conduct of the establishment staff. We are deeply concerned about the physical and emotional trauma inflicted upon these young individuals. The racial nature of the initial confrontation adds another layer of severity to this incident, highlighting issues of discrimination that must be addressed. We call for a thorough investigation into this incident, including a review of Malys Entertainment Center's security protocols and staff training, an examination of the establishment's policies regarding discrimination and violence, a full inquiry into the actions of all involved parties, including Kelly Kennedy, Cody Sutherland, and the Malys employee who participated in the violence. We are committed to seeking justice for the victims of this appalling incident and to ensuring that Malys Entertainment Center and similar establishments take concrete steps to prevent such occurrences in the future. The safety and well-being of all patrons, especially minors, must be the highest priority. We stand in solidarity with the victims and their families during this difficult time and will provide updates as this case progresses. Malys Entertainment Center failed in its fundamental duty to protect these young patrons. In the United States, children have an inalienable right to safety, free from racial discrimination and acts of violence. This incident underscores a critical failure in Malys' operational practices and ethical responsibilities. Businesses, especially those catering to minors, bear a significant legal and moral obligation to ensure the safety and well-being of their patrons. This includes protecting individuals from racial discrimination and harassment, preventing and swiftly addressing any acts of violence on their premises, responsibly managing alcohol service to prevent over-intoxication, ensuring that employees are properly trained and do not engage in violent or discriminatory behavior. The failure of Malys Entertainment Center to uphold these basic tenets of customer safety and business ethics is deeply troubling. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for businesses to prioritize safety, implement robust anti-discrimination policies, and train their staff appropriately. We call on local authorities and relevant regulatory bodies to conduct a thorough investigation into Malys practices and to hold them accountable for any lapses in security, training, or policy implementation that contributed to this horrific incident. Furthermore, we urge the community to demand higher standards of safety and inclusivity from all local businesses, ensuring that such a tragedy never occurs again. For this reason, we have filed a lawsuit alleging claims under 42 U.S.C. Section 1985 and 1986, as well as 2000 subsection A, the Arkansas Civil Rights Act of 1993, and state claims of battery, assault, intentional infliction of emotional distress, and negligence. There is also a criminal case pending. We expect the defendants to be prosecuted to the full extent of the law. We also anticipate that they will be held civilly liable for their actions. Our legal actions aim to not only seek justice for the victims, but also to send a clear message that such behavior will not be tolerated in our society. We believe that holding the perpetrators accountable will contribute to preventing similar incidents in the future and promote a safer environment for all. Thank you.